Hey guys, thanks for watching. Welcome back. If you're new, welcome. My name is Gretchen. This is Beautiful Mess, and this video today is a clean with me of the playroom. So it's been a while, a long time since this playroom has had a good deep cleaning. I'm talking dusting, moving things around, sweeping behind things, just really getting in there and purging some toys and going through bins and finding lost toys that my kids have just thrown around everywhere and can't find. So I figured it was just a perfect time to get it back in order and just move some stuff around so that the kids would want to come in here more. Especially with it being summer now, I needed to inspire them to come in and play and just want to spend some time in the playroom. And because it's summer and mom is home and the kids are home, I had my little helper here the entire time. He wanted to make sure that he was supervising and making sure that I put the toys where they went because, you know, like that stuff right there really goes in the kitchen. But here I am just dumping everything out and looking for small items that may go in different spots and small toys that are either broken or that they don't use or that just didn't belong in this bin. For the most part, I will say that my daughter is really good about putting toys back in the certain bins that they go in. So I try not to complicate the bins too much. I just keep them categorized by like the large blocks or potato head stuff or things like that, and then everything else is just like the kitchen stuff. So she really knows where to put it. I don't label the bins. You can see I don't have labels on the bins, but for the most part she knows where it goes and she helps her brother out. And after this, I probably won't go through this playroom for a while. You know, things are gonna get messed up. They'll find their stuff. They figure it out. They're kids and they put things wherever they want. And but we try to keep it as organized as we can. Here's my other assistant just helping me get all of the small toys that have fallen into this bin, get them out, and then just make sure that it's just stuffed animals in that bin. And then we're just trying to figure out where to put everything. She wanted to put certain things in certain spots, and I was fine with that. So in this playroom, I don't keep all of my daughter's small toys. She keeps her Barbie doll house in her room. She's got a little castle in there. She's got all of her Shopkins and her LOLs. All of those things she keeps in her room just because we try to keep it out of reach of brother. So, you know, Barbie's accessories are tiny and I just want to make sure that we keep them out of his reach. So the stuff in here is mostly the kitchen stuff or things that they can play together. And that is it. I got everything cleaned up. You can see how I have all of the little wheel toys up along that wall. And then the bin here has mostly stuffed animals or big dolls. The buckets, I told my daughter to put her little baby doll stuff in that top bucket, she still has a ton of stuff from the room that she needs to bring to that bucket. And then the blocks, the Mr. Potato Heads. And then this is just like random little character toys that they like to play with. Then I have this little old TV entertainment stand that I took the little glass doors off of, and I just use it to hold all of their kitchen accessories, their play food. I've got a bucket there for just all of their fruits and their veggies. And then this one holds all of the fruits and vegetables that you can cut with the little knife. I kept the knife in there, the little play knife, so that they can chop their little vegetables and fruits. And they've got their little cash register, their blender, their mixer, all of those little things that they can use for the kitchen. And then there's the kitchen. I love this kitchen. I got this kitchen on Amazon. I believe it's a kid craft kitchen, and they love using it. My daughter pointed out to me here that I put the cookies in the dishwasher and not in the oven. So there, she caught that mistake for me. And we've got the little things the play food in the fridge. I got a little cake stand that I believe I got from Target, their microwave, little dish towels on the side for them that I think I got that at the dollar spot in Target, another little mixer that they have, their toaster, and then in this container I keep all of their little spoons and their plates and their play money. All of that stuff I keep in that top one, and at the bottom I keep their pots and their pans. So that's it, guys. That's it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you guys did, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I hope that you'll consider subscribing and becoming a part of my family. Thank you guys as always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.
Get it, boy! Josiah, what are you doing? Josiah. See you later.